Hey guys, it's Poochie. So you want to know how to get free employees? Well, let me tell you how right now. So let's get right into it. If you are doing retail drop shipping or you are doing online arbitrage from retail stores, you can make enough bonus money to completely pay your entire staff. I know you're saying, Poochie, that can't be true. That can't be true. Yes, it can. And let me tell you why. Cashback sites. Oh yeah. Cashback sites. Let me tell you how much I have made on cashback sites. Over $20,000 just on the little ones. Just the little ones like Top Cashback and Rakuten or Ebates. Just the little sites. I have made over $20,000 cash back from business purchases alone. And that doesn't even include the bigger sites I use where I get 10% cash back, shipping rebates, etc. Over $20,000 just from the little sites. Let me go through some numbers with you just from topcashback.com alone, which is the one I probably used the least out of any other site. $29.61, $10.89, $2.03, $1.77, $1.34, $2.74, $4.55, $1.20, 36 cents. You may think, Poochie, 36 cents. Come on, get real. Do you know how many 36 cents it takes to equal $100? Let me do the math. If you buy that product and get 36 cents cash back 300 times, which is very easy to do if you're doing online arbitrage or retail drop shipping, you have $108. That's one product. That's one product, guys. One product. Here's something I learned in business. Don't ever turn your nose up at 36 cents because it all adds up. Let me give you an example. I have a whole page here on my screen that is full of little small amounts, 36 cents. Okay? And let me tell you, it adds up. So 7 cents, 16 cents, $2.33, 36 cents, 36 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents, $3.53, $3.36. Here's a good one for $22, $2.80. Then there's some that declined for whatever reason they got declined. 6 cents, $2.20, $3.80, $1.56, 52 cents. So all little ones other than the $22, but it added up to $43.36. So Poochie, how can this pay for my employees? My birds are very excited to hear this. We keep it real here, even with the birds. Just $2,000 worth of purchases a week, which is hardly anything, at 6% cash back on average, will net you $120. Now, what is $120? $120 is what you pay a $3 an hour VA or virtual assistant to work 40 hours a week. Your employee is free just with what you made on cash back. It is that easy. If you are doing this right, your employees are going to be paying for themselves. You will never have to pay their salary. The money you get in cash back will be more than enough to pay all of your employees. It's as simple as that. I'm going to put some links down below where you can sign up and get bonuses for the same cashback programs that I use that pay for my employees. And that, my friend, is how you get employees for free. We are keeping it real. I'm Poochie. Make sure you like the video and subscribe or follow for more like this.